Howdy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today, believe it or not, we make a Nerf Halo plasma rifle. No really. Booyah. I had to change quite a few things on the stock blaster, former rival Zeus. So let's just jump right into it and I'll show you how it was made. For the upper part, because I needed to make a rear feed, I just screwed on some aluminum, and now you can lift and pull out the mag from the rear. Still hooks up into this, and you just like this. Oh, and this little extension here, I had to do it because I didn't want to reach all the way in there and fill it out there, because that would be like really deep in there. So I just gave it a little extension, and this is how I did it. Okay, so I had to stretch the mag a bit, so I came up with this, drilled a hole in it, and I hope this won't be in the way. The spring shouldn't even hit it. I'm just gonna cut out some bit of the plastic here and make it fit. But now let's see. Screw in. And that's how it goes. Not too tight, I don't want to squish it. And now I can attach here whatever I want, hopefully. And that's a bit of an extension, so I can shove it in right here in the rear. That sounds kind of weird. Without problems. Looks like this now. Still seems to work. I'm a bit surprised myself. I mean, I'm not surprised. And it still goes in like this. And now I can put on something to close this gap here. Actually, pretty perfect. The line is. I can work with that. I had to cut open, like now you can see the wheel cage, and just trying to get it as thin as possible on top, because I have to shield this now with all the panels to make it look like the Halo rifle, plasma rifle. So cross your fingers, this could go wrong. Fun fact, I do have a machine to roll metal to make it like go around and bend. But this was too big for my little rolling machine, so I had to literally bend it over the table bit by bit by bit. And you can't even see the lines. I'm pretty proud of this. Looks pretty even. And oh yeah, the shiny stuff, by the way, for the printers there, it's metal, brass. Wow. Now I'm going to solder it in place somehow and make this look like the real deal. Somehow. And here we have them, shiny and without bigger gaps. And now we are ready for paint, right? No, almost. But on this, first primer, and then filler, and then sanding again to make it baby skin smooth, and then it's paint. It's kind of paint, but not really the color. It's primer and filler. So here we go. Who needs airbrush when you got a brush? This is just the mentioned filler. This is the stuff we're gonna sand off again. Whew. Okay, now it looks like this. Still a bit wet. The stains are normal. Now it's even. You got higher areas and lower areas, and in the lower areas you still got the filler, which evens it out. The higher areas stick out. That's normal. And actually, after this, you should put on another layer of filler. And like if this was like an old-timer car, but for this, it's fine since I want to sell it someday. I have to keep it affordable, somewhat affordable. So that's it. And now the paint. And it's painted. And before I forget to mention how I achieve the pattern, what you can see here. It's a bit small, but I like it like that. I don't like the bigger honeycombs there. And this is achieved by, it's not a stocking or anything, it's onion net. The net that you get when you buy some onions. This stuff. You just literally, I was just holding it like this and spraying over. You let it dry, and you hold one side with your fingers and peel it off like this, and then it shouldn't smear, and you get this beautiful pattern. Boom! Just to make sure I showed this. This is what's gonna make it open and close, to make sure you can access the battery storage. Right there. 3 lithium-ion cells, more than enough power. So as a former rival, you were like loading it from the side, but now the side is gone or closed. So now you just pull it out. Why is there always that? You pull it out just like this and back in just like this. Ready to play. I've put a few targets up, so oh yeah, let's see where I can hit. Not even that. This is so much fun. It's a freaking plasma rifle. I need a minute. I found another 4. Don't have to pick up my balls. Not that I ever lost them. Still just where they are. And... ooh. And that is actually one heavy block of wood. I tweaked the performance a bit, but this is kind of, I mean, come on. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, more Borderlands 3 stuff, and also let me know how you like this game. I'm a tiny bit disappointed. Let me know what you think. But I gotta make some more weapons because they're just awesome. Some dal and some more marijuana. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.